Okay, we got our TV here, the new old stock and box. No, I think it's the year 1969, a production date. Zenith Chromacolor TV. And like I said, this TV came from Texas. I believe this was made in the Dallas factory. And there were three of these Chromacolors, different models, but they were all first generation, basically. And I want to do the unboxing. I've been debating on when to do it, but essentially, as you can see here, it's been sealed up for all these years. It's a D3721L Chromacolor. This was technically a hybrid set, but it's mostly tube. Only the IF is tube, I believe, along with the UHF. Or no, excuse me, the only thing it's solid state is the IF and UHF. Everything else is tube. So it's a hybrid per se, but not to a large extent. It's actually not. So we're going to do the unboxing here real quick. We'll see how easy it is to open. It's kind of remarkable this thing's been sealed up for this many years. So this is going to be in perfect condition probably. I'm just curious to see what it looks like. I thought about just keeping it sealed, but the thing is, if you do that, then, well, what's the point? You're never going to get to enjoy it, right? So, yeah, I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to cut myself. I'm not in the mood to stab myself with a box cutting knife today. But forgive me for how tired I am. I'm a little bit tired these days, but hey, this gives me energy and excitement. Okay, is this going to smell like 1969? Yeah. Well, there's definitely a TV in there, I can tell you that. I know you can't see it from your vantage point here, but there definitely is. I'm kind of speechless, so I'm just going to grab the camera here. I've got it on a little tripod. Wow. First time this has been opened since 1969, when that TV was basically put into this box in probably the Dallas factory. And it does indeed use styrofoam. I was a little surprised by that. I believe this is, whoa. Yeah, this box is a little bit, oh yeah, it's starting to go kind of now after the, wow, I'm just speechless. I don't know what my audience thinks here, but basically, there was a little bit of a debate I was having internally and with some of the tech people I talked to about what to do when turning this on for the first time, because normally the advice is to replace all the electrolytics and wax papers, paper oils and whatnot, but now though, I mean, it kind of is debatable a little bit, although I think electrolytics still dry out no matter what, but I am really curious, you know, this weird pink wrapper is in the way. It's like a weird pinkish brown. It's like a, I don't know really what to describe it. I mean, I can tell you though, no matter what, if I were to turn this on today, it's not going to be without, well, that box is getting a little, wow. Yeah, so the box is a little bit fragile actually, which I'm not surprised, but for it being 1969, I would say that this has held up fairly well over the years. The box keeps wanting to fold up, and I'm like fighting with it here. It's like patty cake, baker's man. Go on, do the fastest you can. All right. I'm just gonna, hey, why is that? Come on, stay still, stay. All right. Now, how in the world do you, how's the, okay, that's simple enough. This was probably made with CFCs, if anyone knows what that is, chlorofluorocarbons. They don't use those refrigerants anymore. They used to use them as a blowing agent for styrofoam. What's this? Soot? Maybe it's from the semi-truck that hauled this thing over the years. What the heck? Wow. Just wow. I am speechless here. Oh my god. Oh god, that smell. 1969 smell. That smells like 1969, at least what I would imagine it to be. I wasn't alive back then. I was not even thought of, and my parents were barely alive at this point. They were children when this thing was made. So the cellulose by Bleached. What the hell is this supposed to be? Bleached, unbleached, but have guaranteed minimum weight. Jiffy. Jiffy what? Jiffy Lube? I don't know. Not really sure what this is. Is that rust? Wow. Look at that. It's even, that is profoundly impressive. Wow. Wow. This is going to be a two-part video. This is so nice. This is going to be a two-parter. And if you hear groans and squeaks above me, you'll have to forgive me. My neighbor upstairs, he's lonely and he likes to make his presence known. He's a big boy, so he likes to squeak around a little bit when he feels like he's not getting enough attention. So if you hear him squeak a little bit, you might just understand he's a little lonely. Anyone who has upstairs neighbors can relate to this. This is an old house. What? Is that a UHF loop antenna? Really? A UHF loop antenna. Alright. Not that I'll really need it, but okay. How's that power plug looking? Wow. It's a little rigid, but the plastic might have been rigid back then. Can I grab this? It is heavy, though, I will admit. I might have to put down the camera for a second. I'm going to have to cut and edit this video probably before it's all said and done. I'm wearing my pajamas right now because it is cold up in where I'm living at. So I don't like spending too much money on heating. Air conditioning I will, but heating no. Will you stay? I need a better tripod camera. I'm probably going to cut this part of the video out. But yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. Woo, dude. All right, we're back here. So I'm going to have to edit. This video is going to be a little bit edited because I just want to make sure that I'm not having one hand trying to... I don't want to do this one-handed. Some things in life you have to use both hands for, and this is one of them. What in the... Oh, how helpful. There, we got the manual here. Oh yeah, look at this. Look how clean that paper looks. It's not moldy, and it's not covered in rat turds. Wow. Oh, I've got the warranty card too. I wonder if I can still fill that one out, huh? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, look at that. I don't know what that is. Wormy. Well, there's our little operating instruction manual. Caution, dealer, do not remove. I don't even know what to say about this. This is cool. This is fantastic. Look at that. Truly a sight to behold. Yeah. So what we're going to do, what's this? Got the little antennas here. I want to grab it, baby. Oh, it's sticking to the styrofoam a little bit. So this TV's a bit more. Oh, the faceplate fell off. Oh my. Oh boy. Wow. This thing's big. But it's the faceplate. Guys, the faceplate fell off, in case you're wondering what happened if you didn't catch it. I'm going to show it in a minute here. This thing's wobbling on the carpet. The faceplate fell off. I don't know if that's a good sign. If the first thing that happens is the faceplate falls right off of it. I know the Zenith, the quality goes in before the name falls off. I certainly hope that this is not a omen of the TV not wanting to cooperate. I hope it will. I mean, a new old stock Zenith tube TV from 1969, you'd think wouldn't be too much of a problem, but maybe I'm being a little... It's like the adhesive on this just wore off, but it's weird because it's like, look how shiny that is. Like, this is no tobacco tar, no dirt, no soot, no dust, nothing like that. It's completely flawless. Let me get this box out of the way so I can lay this down on something. I mean... Just want you to appreciate this here. This TV, I'm going to gently... it's actually not too heavy. And the thing about it, I have to give them credit for it.